Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Sunny. Today we will be continuing our journey by learning words and phrases in Amharic. So this helping you to engage in simple conversations easily. So let's start one by one. So this is the first we see is people and relationship. So what are the words used to call a people and relationship? So mother. So mother in Amharic we can say እናት. Mother means in Amharic እናት. Mother. Mother. እናት. In Amharic mother means እናት. And father means in Amharic አባት. Father means in Amharic አባት. And brother in Amharic is ወንድም. Brother in Amharic is ወንድም. And sister in Amharic is እህት. Sister in Amharic is እህት. And friend in Amharic is ጓደኛ. Friend in Amharic means it's called like ጓደኛ. And child in Amharic ህፃን. Child called in Amharic ህፃን. Child in Amharic ህፃን. And a male in Amharic ወንድ. Male in Amharic it means ወንድ. And woman or female in Amharic ሴት. Woman or female in Amharic ሴት. And family. Then family in Amharic is ቤተሰብ. Family in Amharic is ቤተሰብ. And uncle in Amharic is አጎት. Uncle in Amharic አጎት. And aunt in Amharic አክስት. Aunt in Amharic አክስት. And grandfather in Amharic ወንድ. ወንድ አያት. Grandfather in Amharic it means ወንድ አያት. And grandmother in Amharic ሴት አያት. Grandmother in Amharic ሴት አያት. So this is all about people and relationship. So the other one is useful adjectives and verbs. So the useful adjectives and verbs that used in Amharic like hot. It means in Amharic ሙቅ. So it's hot. So when we say it's hot, ትኩስ ነው ወይም ደግሞ ሙቅ ነው። in Amharic ትኩስ ነው ወይም ደግሞ ሙቅ ነው። And cold ቀዝቃዛ. So the weather is cold. If we want to say the weather is cold, we can say in Amharic አየሩ ቀዝቃዛ ነው. So cold means ቀዝቃዛ. And the other is fast. Fast means ፈጣን. ፈጣን. So he runs fast. እሱ በፍጥነት ይሮጣል. So runs fast means ፈጣን. And slow ቀስ. Slow means ቀስ. Slowly. So she runs slowly. When we want to say she runs slowly, that means in Amharic እሷ በቀስታ ትሮጣለች. So slow means ቀስ. And he eats his lunch. If we want to say he eats his lunch, እሱ ምሳውን በላ. So in Amharic እሱ ምሳውን በላ. He eats his lunch. He eats his lunch. That means in Amharic እሱ ምሳውን በላ. So he eat means በላ. He eats means በላ. And he drank ጠጣ. He drank juice means እሱ ጁስ ጠጣ. So he drank means ጠጣ. And she ate it's በላች. በላች. She ate means in Amharic በላች. She ate her lunch. If you want to say she ate her lunch, so in Amharic it means እሷ ምሳዋን በላች. So she ate means በላች. And she drank ጠጣች. ጠጣች. And I want, if you want to say something I want, so you can say in Amharic እፈልጋለሁ. For example, if you want I want a coffee. If you want to say I want a coffee or I need a coffee, so you can say in Amharic ቡና እፈልጋለሁ. So this I want this phrase is it means እፈልጋለሁ. I want means እፈልጋለሁ. And here እዚህ here is the, here is the, and there is the, there is the. So this is all about this lesson. Thanks for watching my videos. So we continue our journey. So we will continue our journey. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.